Hi, my name is Sophia. I am the head of customer success here at Giftbit, and in this video, I am going to show you how you can create a powerful automation that connects Giftbit with Hubspot. Zapier is a no-code automation tool that makes this process incredibly simple. And while in this video, we're going to be focusing on how to connect Giftbit with Hubspot, it's worth noting that Giftbit integrates with other CRMs as well. All right, let's dive in and get it started. Before you start configuring your SAP, make sure that you have the following ready. You will need a Giftbit account, a Zapier account, and a Hubspot account. You also need to have the Zapier application installed in your Hubspot marketplace. And the third thing that you need is a Giftbit template ready. Giftbit templates provide the settings for the type of reward being offered from the brand to the denomination. And once that you have all these three things ready, we are ready to start configuring our SAP. Let's log in into Zapier, and we're going to click Create a SAP on our dashboard. Next, we're going to search and select Hubspot. Hubspot is going to be the app that connects with Giftbit to automate the action of sending the rewards. Now we're going to tell Zapier what event is responsible for triggering the reward. In my case, I want to trigger a reward when my contact signs up, and we have different mechanisms to track this in Hubspot. But this is the property that is going to determine whether someone qualifies for the reward that I want to be automated via this app. So next, we are going to tell Zapier what event type is going to be responsible to trigger that reward. We're going to search for property here, and we're going to select this option that says new contact property change. And next, we are going to connect our Zapier account with Hubspot account. We just need to grant the two applications permission so that they can talk to each other. Now we are going to map the Hubspot property responsible for triggering the reward. In my case, I showed you that it was the property called Summer Sign Up Promo. We're going to search it, we select it, and then we hit on continue. Once we do that, we are ready to test this app. What Zapier wants to do here is to make sure that it's pulling the right information based on the information we provided in the previous steps. So it's going to retrieve some contacts, and you can actually see here that Alex Stewart, which is a contact I showed you earlier, qualifies for the promo, is here. And just like that, we finished configuring the triggered portion of the SAP. Now we're going to configure the action portion of the SAP. Let's search and select Giftbit here. And the only action possible is going to be send a reward. And just like we did earlier, we're going to grant Zapier permission to access our Giftbit account. And next, we're going to map the data. We saw during the setup phase that we would need a Giftbit template. So I'm going to map that here. The next thing that we need to map is a mandatory field, which is the email address. The first name is an optional field, but we recommend mapping first names as well for a personalized reward offer. Another thing that you want to consider is imposing limits on your reward. You can limit by contact and template, which means that the same contact would not be rewarded twice. In this particular case, because I am incentivizing new signups, I definitely do not want to send two rewards to the same contact. And we are now ready to test this app. Let's click Test Action. And if everything went well, you would get the same response I did with a code that says info campaign created. That means everything went well and a reward was successfully created through the automation. And I can see that the reward is already in my inbox, which means everything is working as expected. When you're happy with your automation, go ahead and publish it. I always suggest giving it a name for easy tracking. And of course, once you set your SAP live, it will automatically send rewards to the contacts that meet the criteria of your automation. And that's it. Congratulations on configuring your first Giftbit Hubspot automation. I hope this video was valuable. And if you have any questions, please get in touch with us.